If you want to start your own digital product business, whether on Etsy or Amazon KDP, and you're wondering what product you should start with, then my strongest recommendation is coloring books. They are one of the best options available because they can generate sales very quickly and at a massive scale. But there are probably 3 important questions going through your mind right now. The first question is, how do I find a profitable coloring book niche? The second question is, how do I design a professional-looking coloring book easily? And the third question is, how do I create promotional images and videos so I can share them on social media and generate more sales? In this video, I'm going to answer all of those questions because this will be a complete step-by-step walkthrough. We'll go on a full journey together, starting with designing the interior pages of the book, then creating a professional cover, then designing eye-catching images for social media. And we definitely won't stop there. We'll also create promotional videos so you can launch profitable advertising campaigns and attract even more customers. The best part is that we're going to do all of this inside one powerful platform called HIX AI. You'll find the platform link in both the pinned comment and the video description. Open the website and start building alongside me right now. This platform is incredibly complete. You can create everything from interior book pages to full videos inside a single chat interface. It also includes powerful AI tools that go far beyond basic content creation. For example, you can create AI slides, AI videos, AI images, and AI documents. On top of that, with their deep research feature, you can dive deeply into any niche and gather valuable insights before creating your products. They also offer a professional AI chat assistant, and that's not all. They have advanced image editing and video editing tools that are extremely powerful. I'm going to take you on a deep dive through the entire process, so let's jump straight into the practical tutorial. Before recording this video, I compiled a list of the top 100 most profitable coloring book ideas. I spent a lot of time researching these 100 niches very carefully, and I'm highly confident that these books have strong sales potential. If you want this file, all you have to do is ask for it in the comments, and I'll send it to you directly. For this example, I'm going to choose a niche called Space Adventure Coloring Book, so we can build it together step by step throughout this video. Now, let's head over to the HIX AI platform. The first thing I'm going to do is ask it to generate prompts for creating 10 coloring book pages for a space adventure coloring book that is suitable for children. As you can see, it immediately starts writing highly detailed and professional prompts. Now you might be wondering, why am I generating prompts first instead of creating the interior pages immediately? The truth is, I could simply tell the AI to create an entire 50-page coloring book, and with a single click, it would generate everything for me. It's incredibly powerful. However, I personally prefer creating the prompts first because it allows me to review everything before generating the final pages. If there's a page I don't like, I can either remove it completely or modify the prompt before generating the artwork. This helps reduce errors, improve quality, and save valuable credits at the same time. Another thing I really like is how organized everything is. The platform automatically compiles all of the prompts into a structured file that you can download and manage professionally. Then, inside the very same chat, all you need to do is tell it, use these prompts to generate the pages using the GPT Image 2 model. Personally, I prefer using GPT Image 2 for creating coloring book illustrations because, in my experience, it's currently one of the newest and most capable models available for generating high-quality coloring pages. In just a matter of seconds, HIX AI will begin generating all 10 pages in a single batch. And take a look at the results. This is absolutely incredible. You can now create a 100-page coloring book with a single click. Just tell the AI, create a coloring book about this topic, and it can handle the entire process for you. With a workflow like this, I could easily create more than 5 coloring books every single day, and publish them on Etsy and Amazon with this level of quality and speed. Now let's take a closer look at the interior pages of the book. For example, here's the first page. I am genuinely impressed by the quality and detail. It honestly looks like it was hand-drawn by a professional artist. And what's even better is that the platform doesn't stop at simply generating pages. It also gives you powerful editing tools to customize everything exactly the way you want. For example, in the top menu, you'll find an upscale button that allows you to increase the image quality with just one click. There is also an uncrop feature. If you have an image that's cropped or cut off and you want to expand the canvas, the AI can intelligently generate additional content around the image with impressive accuracy. This is a feature that can be incredibly useful across many different projects. You'll also find a crop and erase tool. Let's say I want to remove something from an image. In this example, I want to remove the planet above the rocket. All I have to do is select the object, click the erase button, and within seconds, the AI removes the planet cleanly and accurately. The editing tools available on this platform are seriously impressive. There is also a background removal tool that does an excellent job of removing backgrounds professionally. In addition, you'll find the AI background feature, which is another powerful tool that can automatically generate and apply suitable backgrounds to your images. These tools can save an incredible amount of time and effort. Now let's take a look at the rest of the interior pages. As you can see, the pages look fantastic. I honestly have no criticism regarding the quality. The illustrations are clean, detailed, engaging, and visually appealing. I'm truly impressed by how accurate and professional they look. I'm also confident that children will love these pages because they are fun, exciting, and instantly grab attention. And because of that, I believe books like this have strong sales potential. Now, as I promised earlier, this video is going to be a complete walkthrough. We're not just creating interior pages, we're creating an entire product that is ready to sell. The next step is designing the book cover. To do that, all I need to do is give HIX AI a simple instruction. Create a cover for this coloring book. Within seconds, it generates this amazing cover design. However, you'll notice that it didn't add a title automatically. Personally, I think of HIX AI as my fast digital artist, so I'll simply tell it, add the title Space Adventure Coloring Book to this cover. And just like that, HIX AI takes care of everything. Within seconds, it adds the title beautifully and professionally. The result looks polished, clean, and ready to publish. Now, let's move on to the next important step. We need to create a mock-up that we can use for promoting the book on social media and also as A+ content for Amazon KDP. How do we do that? It's incredibly simple. As I've shown you throughout this tutorial, all you need to do is tell HIX AI exactly what you want. In this case, I'll simply say, create a professional mock-up for this book using the same cover you generated. And within seconds, it creates this beautiful mock-up for us. That's really the power of this platform. You simply describe what you want, and it handles the hard work for you using advanced AI and deep research capabilities. Now, we have reached the final step of this video, creating a promotional video for the coloring book we just made. Once again, the process is incredibly simple. I'll tell HIX AI, use the Cdance 2 model to create a promotional video for this book that I can publish on social media. The AI understands exactly what I'm asking for and takes care of the entire process. And now, let's look at the final video result. As you can see, the video is about 8 seconds long, but it looks professional, eye-catching, and highly engaging. I'm convinced that content like this has strong potential on social media because this style of short promotional video tends to perform extremely well and can attract a lot of attention very quickly. And just like that, we've gone from a simple idea to a complete coloring book business asset package, interior pages, a professional cover, a marketing mock-up, and even a promotional video, all created inside a single platform. That's what makes this workflow so powerful for anyone looking to build and scale a digital product business efficiently. And just like that, we have successfully created a complete coloring book from start to finish, beginning with the interior pages, then designing the cover, creating a professional mock-up, and even producing a promotional video for the book, all using HIX AI inside a single chat and with impressive accuracy. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, the entire process is streamlined, efficient, and incredibly powerful. Now, if we go back to the main dashboard, you'll find that you can directly access AI models for video creation. One thing I really like is that HIX AI supports many of the latest and most advanced AI models available today. This gives you a lot of flexibility when creating content because you can choose the model that best fits your project and creative goals. It also supports image generation using a wide range of powerful AI image models. And among them, you'll find the impressive HIX AI agent model, which I highly recommend trying for yourself. It's a fantastic tool that can help speed up your workflow and generate high-quality results with very little effort. Another feature that I strongly encourage you to explore is deep research. This tool is incredibly useful for finding product ideas, researching niches, and analyzing opportunities with ease. It works with real and accurate data to help you better understand the market you're targeting. For anyone building a digital product business on Etsy or Amazon, this kind of research can be extremely valuable and can save you a huge amount of time. HIX AI also includes the AI Slides feature, which can be used to create educational presentations for children and many other types of visual content. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something valuable from it. If you enjoyed the tutorial and got value from it, make sure to leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what type of products you're planning to create and what you'd like to see in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!